Ngisathanda kuthola umbiko la iBafana Bafana isenkingeni. iBafana Bafana isenkingeni. Johannes iBafana Bafana namhlanje iyodlala against iBenin. Bawudlala le Ivory Coast. Njengoba beyodlala nje. Last game iBafana Bafana ibidlala neLesotho. Mina ikhumbula leyo game iBafana Bafana iwine ngo-2-0. Kuleyo game iBafana Bafana idlalise umdlali ebengamele ayidlale leyo game. Idlalise umdlalo bengamele ayidlale lo game leyo. Lo mdlali lona uTebogo Mokoena. uTebogo Mokoena bafethu siyamazi sonke. One of the best midfielders akhona la kwePetrol Premiership. One of the best midfielders akhona kwiBafana Bafana. Yabo akekho umjida ongamhlalisa phansi, ongambencha. Yabo uTebogo Mokoena kwisquad seBafana Bafana. So, kunenkinga ke la. I don't know if anybody knew this. Yabo I don't know if kukhona obekwazi lokhu kwiBafana Bafana. Yabo kwi-technical team eBafana Bafana angazi bekhona nobekwazi lokhu. But ke bathi FIFA World Cup qualifiers South Africa caught snapping twists and turns in Group C of the African qualifiers for the 2026 FIFA World Cup qualifiers, as South Africa's Tebogo Mokoena should have been suspended for a match day 5 encounter against Lesotho. Mokoena already accumulated 2 yellow cards on match day 2 versus Benin Republic and match day 4 versus Zimbabwe. Muyilandelela lento uzoyibona. According to FIFA World Cup qualifying rules, if a player receives 2 yellow cards in a game or different games, he will be suspended for their subsequent match. Mokoena played against Lesotho. Is against the rules. Hence, South Africa's 3 points should be awarded to Lesotho. Basho njalo ke labafethu bathi ukudlala kwaMokoena versus Lesotho le game iBafana Bafana idlala. iBafana Bafana bengamele imidlalisi uMokoena. Ukumdlalisa kwayo uMokoena lokho ku against the rules. So lokho kuzonikeza iadvantage iLesotho ithi made idlala nayo. Yabo ithi made idlala nayo kungenzeka uthole u3 points. Angazi iBafana Bafana or itechnical team yakhona angazi ayibona kanjani lenkinga le, because inkinga enkulu le. Mekunje iBafana Bafana right now ina 10 points if I'm not mistaken. Just na 10 points. So bazodeducta lo 3 points lo sibe na 7 points. Inkinga enkulu le. Inkinga enkulu. Angazi ngempela bayibona kanjani. Ngithe singihamba sengiyo research ngempela ngibheka ukuthi kahlahle owathola ngempela yena ama yellow card. Hayibo. Mina ikhumbula igame sasidlala neBenin. Sadlala le Moses Mabhida. Wayithola yellow card ngempela uTebogo Mokoena. Wayithola yellow card ngomzuzu ka54 ngesecond half. Yabo. Kwathi futhi sedlala neZimbabwe waphinde futhi uTebogo Mokoena wayithola iyellow card ngomzuzu ka52. Yebo. So yena ngempela uTebogo Mokoena umdlali obengamela ayidlale le game athi sidlala neLesotho. Yabo isenkingeni ngempela iBafana Bafana ngazi lento izoxazululwa kanjani. Ama Nigerians are happy. Ama Nigerians ngibonile lapha are happy afuna iBafana Bafana ideducthelwe lo 3 points lo, because make deductwa lo 3 points igroup izovuleka. Igroup izovuleka, any team can qualify for FIFA World Cup right now. Yabo iBafana Bafana mideductelwa lo 3 points. Yabo iRwanda ina 8 points izobu number 1. Njoba ina 8 points izobu number 1 sensibu number 2. Yabo inkinga ngempela le bafethu ngezwe ngani ema comments ngokweni, do you think iBafana Bafana isenkingeni ngalento le noma into nje ezodlula cause uPatrice Motsepe uyena ophethe ICAF. Yabo